Hi everyone, this is CD. Today we have a double fryer made by Vulcan. It's a model 2VK45DF, and today we will try to remove the air filter, because this kind of models, they are equipped with the air filter. And it's a good thing in a way, and because a dirty filter will always supply the fryer with the right clean amount of the air that needed in the combustion chamber for to burn gas. I will always recommend the owners or the operators to keep it clean from time to time. It's very easy task. It's very easy job to do. At the end of the maybe every week, or you inspect it if it needs some cleaning. You will just have to pull it out and clean it with soap and hot water. Usually the manufacturer said just and then I'll let it to dry completely, so it's very easy. You just unscrew this little screw here that's attached to a clamp, and you just pull the filter like this. It's very easy job. Be careful, because it has a spring inside it, so really you have to be careful. This fryer is equipped with 2 of them. So this is how it looks like. This one we already cleaned it, and make sure please when you are cleaning it, because if you can see here where the foam, because it's made from a foam or a sponge, with connected to this rubber with the glue, and if you are not careful, you will break this seal, and you will end it up with something like this. Exactly, and this is how it used to be. So you don't need to be in this situation, because they are expensive. I believe in many websites they are like around $70-80. So you have to be careful with them. Anyway, when you take it out, when you pull it out, you have to clean it with the soapy hot water, and let it to dry completely. Then you put it back in, and it's very easy. It slides in the blower intake. It's very easy, and really it does. It's very sensitive for the operation of the fryer. It's very easy. We will try to put it back carefully. You can also drop the if you can see here, you can see you can drop off this plate. Sometimes that's the filter pan cover, and sometimes they have 1 screw, sometimes they have 2, sometimes they have 3, as in our case here it has 3, but I have seen just some fryers with just 1 screw, but they are all the same. So we'll get back to the filter. It's very easy. You just push it in like this, and when it's snagged into the intake, like this, and you can feel it. I will put little. I will tighten it a little bit with the screwdriver, because even if in the manual it says just a hand tight, but I want to make sure, you know, it's tight. That's good. You know, I didn't tighten it really too bad. And this is how you do it. Hopefully you like this video, and I hope it's a reference for you whenever you need it to do the same for your fryers, because it's very important to keep parts like this maintained, because it's very important for the correct operation of the equipment, especially fryers. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and please subscribe. We will upload and we will make more videos from time to time. We get some piece of equipment or fryers like this. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support, and you have a good one. Stay greasy, please. Thank you, and you have a good day. Bye.